I think we were solving the problems. Can you tell me what was the answer for the last problem? The homework which I gave you. You were supposed to find out the reflected power of port 1, then reflected power at port 2, and the power delivered at port 1 and power delivered at port 2. What was the answer? Anybody has solved? No one? So the reflected power, I think you'll be getting, just check it out. You should get it as 0.03086 milliwatt. Similarly, power delivered, you will be getting it as 4.9383 milliwatt. And the next, that is reflected power by port 2 is 0.02066 milliwatt. The power delivered is 4.9586 milliwatt. Just check out the answer. Those who have solved. If you have not solved, try to solve it. Take down the next question. A magic tea is terminated. A magic tea is terminated at collinear ports. A magic tea is terminated at collinear ports 1 and 2 and difference port 4 and difference port 4 by impedance of reflection coefficients.
Wait.
Your voice is breaking now.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, it is audible?
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
Yeah. A magic tea is terminated. A magic tea is terminated at collinear ports 1 and 2. At collinear ports 1 and 2. And difference port 4. Difference port 4 by impedance of reflection coefficient. By impedance of reflection coefficient, gamma 1 is equal to 0.5, gamma 2 is equal to 0.6, gamma 4 is equal to 0.8. If 1 watt power is fed, if 1 watt power is fed at some port 3, calculate the power reflected. Calculate the power reflected at port 3. At port 3 and power transmitted to other 3 ports and power transmitted to other 3 ports. Repeat the question once again. A magic tea is terminated at collinear ports 1 and 2 and difference port 4 by impedance of reflection coefficients. Gamma 1 is equal to 0.5, gamma 2 is equal to 0.6, gamma 4 is equal to 0.8. If 1 watt power is fed at some port 3, Calculate the power reflected at port 3 and power transmitted to other 3 ports. Okay, so given parameters, you have reflection coefficients given. Then you have the input power which is given. Now, since it is with respect to magic T, you have to write the S parametrics of magic T. What is the S parametrics of magic T? The one which you have derived. What are the 4 different S parametrics? S parameters.
0, 0, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2.
0, 0, 0, 0, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. This will be 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 0, 0. This is 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, 0, 0. So this is the S parameters of your, sorry?
Minus 1 by root 2, ma'am.
Even
Fourth element, second
Okay,
one.
okay. This one. Okay. This is minus 1 by root 2. Now what you have to do is first find out the relations of B1, B2 because you are finding out there. One is power reflected at port 3. Other things you have to find out is what is the power transmitted to other 3 ports. So you need to find out the power which are transmitted to other 3 ports, which means that you will be finding out for port 1, port 2, port 3, port 4, the transmitted powers B1, B2, B3, B4. So these things you have to find out. To find out that, first you have to write the equation in terms of B1, B2, B3 and B4. To write that, you have been given the relation of gamma 1. We know that gamma 1 is nothing but your reflected power or reflected voltage by incident voltage. Now, when I write A1 in terms of gamma 1, it is nothing but gamma 1 into B1 because with respect to your incident and with respect to your reflected, it is with respect to power. You have written this relation before. So we know that the relation with respect to your S11 it is. S11 is also written as B1 by A1. So this relation we will be using for gamma 1. So you can write the equation of A1 with respect to your reflection coefficients for a power of a magic T is A1 is equal to gamma 1 into B1. Similarly, A2 is equal to gamma 2 into B2. And one more you have is gamma 4. So which is A4 is equal to gamma 4 into B4. So if you just substitute it, it will be A1 is equal to gamma 1 is 0.5 into B1. A2 is equal to 0.6 into B2. Similarly, A4 is equal to 0.8 into B4. So you have this gamma 1, gamma 2, gamma 3 given. So just directly write in terms of A1, 0.5 B1, 0.6 B2, 0.8 B4. A3, we know it is already given as 1 watt or in terms of voltage also, it is 1 volt. Now, you know the relation of S matrix, that is B is equal to S matrix of magic tree into your A matrix. You need to split it and write it with respect to the matrix. So if you are writing it, it will be B1, B2, B3 and B4 for B matrix. Similarly, S matrix, you know it is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, again 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2. This is again 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. Along with that, you have to write the A matrix. For A1, we know it is actually here A1, A2, A3, A4. So in the term of your A1, copy down the S matrix same here. Where you have A1, it will be 0.5 B1. Second term is 0.6 B2. Third term is 1. Fourth term is 0.8 B4. So first write this matrix. Then we'll solve for each equation taking B1, B2, B3 and B4. First write down the S matrix. Write down the relation of A1 with respect to reflection coefficient. Then write down what is A2, then A4. Substitute the values of reflection coefficients. Write the matrix in terms of the equation of B is equal to S into A. Split it and write it along with S matrix and A, along with the B matrix. Okay, clear the screen. Now see your matrix which I have written. For example, that is B1, B2, B3 and B4 along with your S matrix, which is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Again 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. This A1, if you write, it is 0.5 B1, 0.6 B2, 1 and 0.8 B4. Now, if you split and write, what will be the equation I'm getting for B1? What is B1 here? B1 will be equal to, what will be the B1 value from the matrix? See, one row, 0 into this is 0, 0 into this is 0, 1 by root 2 into 1. So it will be 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 0.8 B4. So it is plus 0.8 by root 2 into B4. So this is the first equation you're getting for B1.
Ma'am, your voice is.
It is breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. How about now? Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write the equation of B1, say 1 by root 2 into 1 plus 1 by root 2 into 0.8 B4.
Again, it's breaking on.
Okay. Just a minute. Let's wait for some 2 minutes. Okay, now is that fine? Hello? 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 Is it audible? Hello, can anybody respond whether it is audible or not?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's audible.
Okay. Similarly, write for B2 now. If you consider B2, it is 0 into 0.5, 0 into 0.6, and this will be again 1 by root 2 minus 0.8 by root 2 B4. And if you consider B3, it is 1 by root 2 into 0.5, 1 by root 2 into 0.6 B2. So this equation will be 0.5 by root 2 into B1 plus 0.6 B2 divided by root 2. One more is B4. So it is again 0.5 by root 2 into B1 minus 0.6 by root 2 into B2. So you'll get 4 equations here. Write the equation number as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, how you can solve this equation? Any idea? How can you get the values of this B1, B2, B3, and B4?
By adding 1 and 2, we get one equation, ma'am.
Okay.
You can write B4 in terms of B2 and like that.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Easy method is consider your B4 equation. You have B1 and B2 from 1 and 2. So better substitute your equation 1 and equation 2 in equation 4. Simplify this and find out whether you'll get B4. So this is B4 is equal to 0.5 by root 2 into your B1 equation will be 1 by root 2 plus 0.8 by root 2 into B4 minus this is 0.6 by root 2. Again, your B4 equation, sorry, B2 equation is 1 by root 2 minus 0.8 by root 2 into B4. So B4 is equal to, so there are root 2 common here. So if I take it outside, it is 1 by 2 and multiply this 0.5 inside. So we'll have 0.5 plus multiply 0.5 into 0.8. So you will be getting 0.4. So this will be 0.4 B4 again minus this will be 0.6 minus into minus it will be plus. You will get here 0.6 into 0.8 is 0.48 B4. Bring this 2 to this side. So you'll have 2 B4 is equal to 0.5 minus 0.6 is minus 0.1. Similarly, 0.4 plus 0.48, you will get it as 0.88 B4. So you have 2 B4 terms here. Bring it together. 2 minus 0.88 into B4 is equal to minus 0.1. So B4 value will be minus 0.1 divided by 2 minus 0.88 is 1.12. So you'll get B4 as minus 0.0893. Check the value, whether you're getting it properly, the same value.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Why is it 1 by 2 in the beginning?
Which one you're speaking about? This one, this equation or this
No, ma'am.
equation?
The next, yeah.
The common, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See here you have 1 by root 2, correct?
Yeah.
From this, if you see the denominator, root 2,
Ma'am,
root 2,
instead
root
we can just multiply the first one, 0.5 by root 2 into
yeah, that
1
also
by
you
root 2.
can do. You can do. You will get it here instead of that. You will get 0.5 by 2, 0.4 by 2, 0.6 by 2, 0.48 by 2. So instead of dividing it again and again, I have just taken it as common 1 by root 2 so that I can, 1 by 2, so that the simplification becomes easier. Anyway, you can do it. That is also okay. No problem. Now, since you got B4, from B4, you are able to get now 2 equations. That is, one is you can find out what is B1 also. And one more is you can find out B2 also. Now consider your equation 1, that is B1. So you'll have 1 by root 2 plus 0.8 by root 2. B4 value is minus 0.0893. Solve this and tell me the answer. How much is B1? What is the value? B1?
0.6505.
Yeah. 0.6566 volt. Similarly, find out B2. 1 by root 2 minus 0.8 by root 2 into minus 0.0893. Tell me how much is B2?
0.7576, ma'am.
Yes, correct. 0.7576 volt. Now consider this value of B1 and B2. Substitute an equation 3 because you need B1 and B2 in your B3 equation. So you can substitute the values 0.6566 plus 0.6 divided by root 2. B2 will be 0.7576. Substitute and tell me the answer. What is B3? You're getting answer B3?
0.5536, ma'am.
0.5536.
5536 volt.
Yeah, correct. Okay. So since you have got all the four values of B1, B2, B3 and B4, the next is you have to find out what is power transmitted at port 1. So power transmitted at port 1, which will be equal to B1 square. So find
My
out
voice
this.
is breaking, ma'am.
Okay. I don't know what is the problem with the network today. Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am. It breaks in between, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll tell you this procedure. Similarly, you do for B1, B2, B3 and B4. So power transmitted at port 1, which is magnitude of B1 square. So consider B1 square. So if you have B1 value, that is 0.6566 square, just do this square for all.
0.43, ma'am.
Yeah, just a minute. Do for all the four so that I'll finish this. For B1, B2 will be power transmitted at port 2. B3 will be power transmitted at port 3, so that is square. B and power transmitted at port 4 will be magnitude of B4 square. Okay, what is the answer for B1 square?
0.43.
4311.
Yeah, 0.4311 or 09, anything, whatever you're getting, you just write down. I'm getting it as 0.4309, you're getting it as 0.311 in terms of watt. Similarly, power transmitted at B2 will be B2 square. This is how much? 0.7576 square.
0.5739.
Okay, 5739 watt. Similarly, B3. 0.5536 square.
Point 3065, ma'am.
0.3065.
3065.
Okay, this is correct. B4, that is minus 0.0893 square. How much is this? Point?
7.79 kilowatt, not kilowatt. Milli, ma'am.
Milli, okay. Or else it is 0.00797 watt. You can write in terms of milli also. Okay. Now write down one more question. I'll clear the screen. A magic tea is terminated. A magic tea is terminated by a impedance of Z1 is equal to 283.33 ohm at port 1 and by another impedance of Z2 116.67 ohm at port 2 and some other impedance of Z4 is equal to 150 ohm at port 4, that is E arm. The H arm port, that is port 3, is connected to 50 ohm, power source
Is connected.
is connected to a 50 ohm power source, feeding 1 watt of power into it,
Your voice is breaking.
Till where you understood? Till where I have to tell? From
50
where?
ohm power source.
Power source.
Feeding 1 watt of power into it. I will write it here itself. Feeding 1 watt of power into it. Determine the power delivered to the 3 ports 1, 2 and 4 and the power reflected back by the junction which comes out of port 3. Repeat the question once again. A magic tea is terminated by an impedance of Z1, 283.33 ohm at port 1 by another impedance of Z2 is equal to 116.67 at port 2 and some other impedance of Z4 is equal to 150 ohm at port 4 E arm. The H arm, which is port 3, is connected to a 50 ohm power source feeding 1 watt of power into it. Determine the power delivered to the 3 ports 1, 2, and 4, and the power reflected by the junction which comes out of port 3. Any idea how will you solve it? Or the problem is similar to your previous problem. Just tell me what is the extra things given and how we will be doing it. Port 3 is already given, that is A3 square, which is 1 watt, or it can be written as 1 volt also. So A3 is already given. You need to find out what is A1, what is A2, and what is A4 in order to substitute to this equation, that is S matrix of your magic T. So tell me, how do you get this A1, A2, A4 using the relation of Z1, Z2, Z4? Or tell me, what was the equation we wrote for A1?
Gamma 1 V1.
Yeah, gamma 1 into B1. How do you find gamma 1 now? Because you don't know what is gamma 1. B1 anyways we don't want. We will be substituting it in A equation. How do you find gamma 1?
ZL minus Z0 by ZL plus Z.
Exactly. You have to find out using this equation, that is ZL minus Z0 by ZL plus Z0. Z0, it is already given in your port 3, which is the input arm, that is 50 ohm impedance. Substitute here. For first port, take it as Z1. For second port, take it as Z2. For fourth port, take it as Z4. Solve it. Tell me the answers. ZL will be Z1 minus Z0 by Z1 plus Z0, which will be equal to 283.33 minus 50 divided by 283.33 plus 50. Tell me, solve it. Altogether, tell me what is gamma 1, gamma 2, and gamma 4. Done. What is the value? Gamma 1.
One is 0.699.
Yeah, you can take it as 0.7. Gamma 2.
0.4001.
0.49.
Okay, you can take 0.4. Gamma 4.
0.5.
Okay, 0.5. Now write the equations of A1, A2, A3. So this will be 0.7 B1. Similarly, A2 will be gamma 2 into B2, which is 0.4 B2. Similarly, you write it after this, and I'm writing it here only. A4 is equal to 0.5 B4. Now, rest of the procedures, solve it now. Substitute to the matrix. Find out 4 equations. B1, B2, B3, B4. Substitute your B1 equation in B4 as well as B2 equation in B4. Find out the value of B4. Clear the screen. Write down the matrix B1, B2, B3, B4. So from this, the first equation you will have B1 is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 0.5 by root 2 B4. Similarly, B2 is equal to 1 by root 2 minus 0.5 by root 2 B4. B3 will be 0.7 by root 2 B1 plus 0.4 by root 2 B2. Similarly, B4 is 0.7 by root 2 B1 minus 0.4 by root 2 B2. This is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, and equation 4. So the next step, you know, it is substitute equation 1 and 2 in equation 4. So you'll get B4 is equal to 0.7 by root 2. B1 is 1 by root 2 plus 0.5 by root 2. B4 minus 0.4 by root 2. B2 equation is 1 by root 2 minus 0.5 by root 2 B4. So B4 is equal to, this is 1 by 2, multiply 0.7, 0.7 into 0.35, I guess. This is minus 0.4 plus 0.20 B4. So B4 will be equal to, or 2B4 is equal to 0.4 minus 0.47 minus 0.4 is 0.3 plus 0.35, 0.2. This is 0.55 B4. So just check it whether it is correct or not. 2 minus 0.55 is 1.45 B4 is equal to 0.3. You're getting it as 0.2068. Once you get it, substitute for B1, B2 now. Getting this? This correct? B4?
Yes, ma'am.
Now substitute for B1, which is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 0.5 by root 2, B4 0.268. Give me all the answers. B1, similarly B2, 1 by root 2 minus 0.5 by root 2 into 0.2068. After you get B1, B2, substitute for B3 equation. How much it is? B1?
0.7802, ma'am.
Okay, 0.07802. What about B2?
0.6340.
0.6340. Okay. Now substitute it to B3. So B1 is 0.7802 plus 0.4 by root 2. B2 will be 0.6340. Others, just verify the answer, whether you're getting same. How much is B3?
0.5654.
Okay, 0.5654. Now we have got all the answers. Just find out what is the power delivered or power transmitted at port 1 is equal to magnitude of B1 square, which is 0.78 square, 7802. Similarly, port 2, 0.6340 square. Similarly, port 3, and port 4. Okay. What is the answer? First one,
0.6087.
6087 watt. Okay. This one,
0.4019 watt.
9 watt. Okay.
Total 0.3196.
0.3196. Okay.
0.0427.
0.0427. Okay. Others, you're getting the same?